So this is going to be a real quick video on how to do this Desmos activities. Could try to keep this super short. So in all of these slides, you're playing this Zelda game. So you're Link. You're trying to attack a bad guy. To do so, you just got to find the correct distance from you to the bad guy. I'm going to be using the Pythagorean theorem, or the distance between 2 points. Same idea. So if you look at this one, you'll notice they don't give me the side lengths of this triangle. They give me these coordinates. So we have to figure out how far it is from one point to another. So there's nothing to count, so we have to literally look at the coordinates. So remember, when we move side to side, that's a change in the x value. So if I'm starting here at 0 in the x, remember the first letter is your x, the second number is your y. So this is 0 in the x, 1 in the y. This is 4 in the x, 1 in the y. So from here to here, from going from 0 to 4, that's a change of 4. So the side length here is 4. And then here we're going straight up and down, right? That's why the x's aren't changing. I'm not moving side to side at all. And then a change from 1 to 4 is a change of 3. And then you're just doing the Pythagorean theorem from there, right? Put the squares on each side, add the areas of the square to get the area of the big square, and then take the square root to decide the side length. You're going to stick it in right here. Right? Let's just say I did some math and I'm like, hey, it's 6. I'm going to enter the distance, and I can't attack because that's not the right number. So you do some more math, you find out, hey, maybe it's 5. And since that's the right distance, then you can attack. Boom. Okay, so that's all you're doing in all of these. You're going to be putting in finding missing distances. So from here you can see the distance from Link to this bad guy. The straight distance is straight across this way. This time they're not giving me coordinates, they're literally giving me the movements. So it's 4 meters this way, 2 meters this way. We're looking for that line from here to here, right? So we're looking for the hypotenuse. So that's what we're doing. Just kind of look through. I don't think there's really anything else I need to show you. Just pay attention to which one is the hypotenuse and which one are the legs. Everything should be clearly marked. I didn't see anything as I went through here that looked really crazy or confusing. Again, here, just pay attention. They're giving me the hypotenuse, so we're looking for one of those short legs. And then in this one, right, they're not giving you that side length. They're giving you the coordinates, so you got to figure out how far are you moving along these coordinates. Okay, very similar to the GeoGebra activity when we get to these ones, right? You're counting those changes, but since there's nothing to count here, we're just looking at the change, right? So the change side to side is your change in x values, right? The y's aren't changing. The y is -5 in both points. Just looking at the change in x there. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Pythagorean theorem. Notice, though, you're always going to put your answer to the nearest tenth. That's 1 decimal place, so we're not putting square roots in here. So like here, they're giving you 1 decimal place, so your answer should go out to 1 decimal place. Other than that, that's the whole activity. If you have questions, send me an email.